Welcome. If organizing your inbox is top priority, setting up your Gmail app to snooze emails with a simple right swipe is an easy way to manage messages you want to address later. Here's how you can get this handy feature up and running in just a few steps. Start by opening the Gmail app on your phone. Once you're in, look towards the top left corner for the menu icon, which appears as 3 horizontal lines. Tap this icon to open the navigation panel. Next, scroll down the menu until you find Settings. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu. On the next screen, tap on General Settings for mail-wide preferences. Now, locate and tap on Swipe Actions. This is where you can customize what happens when you swipe an email left or right in your inbox. You'll see options for both left and right swipes. Tap Change next to the right swipe action. This will bring up a list of possible actions, such as archive, delete, mark as read, move, and most importantly, snooze. From the options provided, select Snooze. This means every time you swipe right on an email, it will be temporarily removed from your inbox and reappear at the top when you want to deal with it. Whether that's later today, tomorrow, or any time you choose. Once you've chosen Snooze, simply exit out of the settings. Your changes are saved automatically. You're now ready to quickly snooze emails with a right swipe. This quick customization helps you stay on top of important emails and clear out your inbox without missing anything that needs your attention later. Try right swiping some test emails to see this new action in motion and adjust your workflow as needed for your day-to-day routine.